Meet Larry. He's grocery shopping for his family. A tap of his card, and Larry can load up and head home. Wait, what? Declined? Why? Let's visit Anish. She's found the perfect outfit online with next-day delivery. Click Buy Now and it's yours, Anish. What? Anish too? Both Larry and Anish had their transactions declined and have no idea why. But here's the cause: outdated and inaccurate BIN account range tables. BINs are bank identification numbers, and they're crucial to the payments ecosystem. They're the first 6 to 8 digits of any credit, debit, or prepaid card used to identify the issuing bank and payment network. A BIN account range table is a list of instructions that provides parties in the payment ecosystem with accurate and current account range assignment information to assist with transaction routing and decisioning. But when acquirers, their merchants, or other third parties use outdated or incorrect BIN account range tables, false declines can occur, resulting in lost sales and frustrated customers. So what happened here? Larry and Anish were originally issued cards from Bank A. But Bank A's card portfolio was recently sold to another institution. Bank B, who issued new cards to Larry and Anish with updated primary account numbers that began with the new Mastercard BIN. So let's go back to Larry, because the entity handling transaction decisioning for Larry's local grocery store didn't update their BIN account range table. The network system flagged the transaction on Larry's newly issued card and declined it. In Anish's case, the acquirer also didn't update its BIN account range tables, triggering the acquirer's fraud controls on Anish's card. Transaction declined, and no fault of Anish's. This is why Mastercard BIN account range table standards have been established to ensure that acquirers and their merchants have the resources to maintain and use current and accurate BIN tables and account range information, preventing unexpected, unacceptable declines. To make this happen, Mastercard publishes BIN account range table resource files via various sources and delivery methods for licensed customers, as well as merchants and other third-party entities. Once Mastercard makes new or updated BIN and account range files available, acquirers must ensure that such files are used by their organization, their merchants, and any entities that handle BIN data on behalf of the acquirer within 6 calendar days. By diligently maintaining the most current Mastercard source BIN account range tables, a seamless payment experience is ensured for you and our cardholders. For additional information on how to access a Mastercard source BIN account range table that meets your needs, contact your Mastercard representative.